Episode 17, Phong. Today we did a tour and explored two caves, Paradise Cave and the Dark Cave. Today's our second day in Phong. We're gonna go do the caves today. It's super cool to just get to see the mountain here on this side. Travel agency we booked yesterday. It's actually a hotel. We're gonna come get some free breakfast before the bus takes off. And this is our free breakfast that's included. And leave without coffee. These one is like by the street stall at 20,000. This is like a more legit one, 50,000 for the egg coffee. We'll see which one's better. My suspicion is this one. Go to the tour. Hello everybody. Nice. Adventure tour. Now we are in the botanical gardens. Whoa. Alright. This is the way down. We're at the Phong Botanical Garden and here's the waterfall. Whoa, look at this butterfly. Nice view. Butterflies. And we came from up there, and it's the view from the bottom. Nice waterfall. Off the buggy, on to the next stop. We're on the way up to the caves. This is the way we came up from. So cool. Air down here is very, very nice, refreshing. So we came from up here. This is a cave entrance. Wow, it just keeps going and going. This cave just keeps on going. There's a little bit less people on the backside of this cave now. Very impressive. And now we're going back towards the same room. Okay, so that concludes our tour of the Paradise Cave. We're gonna go back up the same way we came from. These stairs over here. Yeah. Wow, what a huge cave. Look at this thing. Just keeps going and going and going. Shiro was somewhere over here. And we're officially out of the cave system now. Back on the buggy, out. We are here ready to do our zip lining thing. This is the headlamp they give us. Put it on like this. Yeah. And then we got the zip line here.
Right here. Okay, go back. Visit kayaking here.
Yay, you made it. Made it. Yay. Sure. Yeah. You what? Go. Oh, yay!
Look at this one. Oh, come on. That is next to garbage. Alright, go. Yeah, go, 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 go.
I think we are dying here. Our boat is sinking. Don't touch it.
Alright, that concludes our tour of the, what's it called? The Paradise Cave and the Dark Cave. And now we're gonna go back to the hotel, maybe shower, and then go get some food. What do you think, Shiro? What is this? Alright, we're done taking our nap. Now we're gonna head out with the motorbike. Let's go. Yo, look at this big feast. We got pontit nong, we got duck soup, got sausage, and then we got fried fish balls. All this, and then this like a special egg. Special egg. Special egg. So it's like a chicken fetus or chicken embryo or something, similar to the balut in the Philippines. Okay. 看一下里面啥样 They're bones?
No.
Oh. And we got some fresh pressed sugarcane juice.